Hey friends, the steps I'm going to show you come directly from the technicians working in this well-known appliance workshop, so don't worry, we're here to guide you through fixing it. In the workshop, we always explain to clients that the BP code isn't a typical mechanical fault. Instead, it indicates a communication problem between the control board and the washer panel. It's as if the electronic components stop talking to each other, which is why the machine can't complete its cycles. This tends to alarm many clients because the washer seems to turn on but doesn't do anything else. Interestingly, several clients have mentioned in forums that the error often appears right after a power outage or a voltage spike. The workshop technicians explain that these interruptions can desynchronize the control modules, causing the washer to display BP instead of starting normally. It's the machine's way of protecting itself from unexpected signals. Some clients notice that the problem happens when trying to start a cycle with clothes inside, and even though everything seems normal, the door is closed, water is ready, the washer stops with the error. From a technical perspective, this is usually a communication issue between the main board and the motor sensors, preventing the cycle from starting. Technicians always check the wiring and connectors before considering replacing any electronics. Other forum posts mention that the washer may beep or try to start several times before showing BP. This tells us that the panel is sending signals the board doesn't recognize, which is why the machine locks up. The workshop technicians point out that this is a typical behavior of control electronics faults. It's not a physical problem with the motor or drum, but an internal communication issue between the modules. In some cases, unplugging the washer for a few minutes and turning it back on can reset the modules and clear temporary communication errors. Many clients say that this simple action allowed their washer to start again, although we always explain that this only works if the issue is temporary and there are no persistent faults in the boards or sensors. If the error persists after a reset, the technicians carefully inspect the harnesses and connectors between the control panel and the main board, because a loose or poor contact wire can block communication and cause BP. Some clients even notice that a light bump while